Okay, hey guys. So I know with everything going on, it's a little scary, but I'm here to show that even through these tough times, you can still keep a positive mental attitude and learn how to sketch. A positive mental attitude sketch. So first I'm going to start with the letters. Notice here, I'm going to have them kind of going like an arc. So you could sketch a line, or you could like just grab, or you could just grab a ruler. So now I'm going to start with the M. I'm kind of have it right in the middle of the. Just kind of eyeballing it, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now the A I'm going to be drawing is going to go a little bit off the page. That's going to be fine. Fine. Sometimes art is good enough that you don't need everything in a simple page. In there. You can kind of call this abstract art if you want. It doesn't matter. Now you can add whatever you want to the background. You can leave it as it is. I'm going to add a few little things in the background. Only like, some hearts. Some little sparkles, whatever you want. So I'm just going to transition to where I have all the designs on it. So I finished the designs. I might have gone a little overboard, but that's just how I roll. So I got these colors for the designs. I got some pinks for the hearts and and those diamonds. Some green and blue, and a little red for the little crown. And so I also got this black for the word, for the letters. I sped up this part of the recording because I didn't think any of you would want to spend so many minutes just watching me color in the picture. So yeah, enjoy the sped up version of it. Alright, well, that's how you draw a little PMA sketch. Hope you enjoyed this, and hope you all stay safe out there. And always keep a positive mental attitude. See ya.